In the heart of the jungle, under the shadow of towering trees, our team trudged through the thick underbrush. The air was thick with tension as the sounds of distant explosions echoed in the night. Suddenly, from the dense foliage, a sleek figure emerged, its eyes glinting in the moonlight. It was a panther. We stood frozen, our hearts racing as it approached with cautious curiosity rather than hostility. To our surprise, the panther dropped 2 items at our feet: a dual flame lighter and a cigar cutter, perfect tools for the night ahead. We felt a wave of gratitude wash over us. In a place filled with danger, this magnificent beast had become our unlikely ally, offering us not just survival tools, but a moment of serenity in an otherwise chaotic night. You can also have this camouflage combo at our website at www.smknbrand.com. Evolve your cigar experience, my friends.